Third class EVS Lesson 6 Water, the gift from nature. Glossary chart. Water resources. Source of water. Protected water. Safe drinking water. Irrigation. The supply of water to land or a crop. Stored water. To keep water in a large containers. Scarcity. To short supply. Water tanker, container for storing water. Aquaculture, rearing of aquatic animals. Agriculture, practice of farming. Worksheet 1. Rewrite the following words: mopping, watering, drinking, brushing, bathing, gift, nature, need. Clouds, important, neighborhood, washing, cleaning, agriculture, aquaculture, construction. Write the names of the activities under the correct picture: drinking, cleaning, mopping, watering plants, bathing, brushing. Filling the blanks with the words given in the box. Water is a gift of nature. Plants and animals also need water to live. We cannot live without water. Short supply of water is called water scarcity. Answer the following. First question: what are the uses of water in our daily life? Water is used for drinking, brushing, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning, etc. What do we need to survive? We need water to survive. Third question: what happens if there is no water on the earth? If there is no water on the earth, human beings, plants, and animals can't survive. Worksheet 2. Rewrite the following words: oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, springs, natural sources, borewell, tank, summer, decrease. Match the following: E, C, A, B, D. E. Pond water. C. Ocean water. A. Rain water. B. River water. D. Spring water. Answer the following questions. First question: what is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. Second question: where do you get water from? Answer: we get water from rivers, lakes, ponds, dams, canals, wells, pumps, etc. Third question: what are the man-made source of water? Answer: man-made source of water are dams, wells, pumps, canals. Fourth question: give me a few examples of nature sources of water. Nature sources of water are oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds. Rewrite the following words: scarcity, far away, dry up, water tanker, protected water, pollute, water bell, container, purify, water filter. Answer the following questions. Where do villagers get water from? Answer. Villagers get water from village wells, ponds, bore wells, and taps. Why do people walk very far to get water? People walk very far to get water because of scarcity of water. What is the reason for water scarcity? Reasons for water scarcity are lack of rainfall, deforestation, and wastage of water. Fill in the blanks with the words in the help box. Some people walk far away to get water. The wells and ponds dry up in summer. The water level in borewells also decrease. In some places, people wait for water tanker. Worksheet 4. Rewrite the following words: pure water, germs free, boil water, store, container, sufficient, hydrate, encourage, contaminate, unsafe. Answer the following questions. First question: who provides protected water to the people? Answer: government provides protected water to the people. Second question: why does water get polluted? Answer: water get polluted due to human activities. Third question: what happens if we drink contaminated water? Answer: if we drink contaminated water, we may fall sick. Fourth question: what should we do when the water bell rings in our schools? Answers: when the water bell rings, we should drink sufficient water. What is the common way of purifying water? The most common way of purifying water is boiling. Match the following picture: C, D, A, E, B. Fill in the blanks with the words from the help box. Water get polluted due to human activities. We have to drink pure water. Do not drink unsafe water. We should boil water before drinking it. We use water filter to purify water. Worksheet 5. Rewrite the following words: frequently, disease, develop, vessels, sick, water bottle, pinch, warm, bottle brush, clean. Fill in the blanks with the words in the help box. Most of us use water bottles in drinking water. Germs get developed in the unclean bottles. When we use unclean bottles, we may fall sick. Water bottles should be cleaned with salt water. Answer the following questions. First question: why should we clean water bottles? Answer: we should clean water bottles because diseases causing germs may develop in that bottle. Second question: what should we use to clean water bottles? Answer: we should use salt water and cleaning brushes to clean water bottles. Third question: how does water get polluted? Water get polluted because of human activities like washing cattle and dumping waste into water, etc. What is the common way to clean water bottle? Answer: take a water bottle and put a pinch of a salt in the bottle. Pour some warm water. and rub the inside with a bottle brush and clean it. Worksheet 6. Rewrite the following words: precious, waste, happen, surroundings, running water, leaks, overflow, turn off, check, motor. Mind mapping. Uses of water: agriculture, drinking, cooking, washing, transportation, to generate power. Write true or false. Use leftover water to water a plant. True. Wash fruits and vegetables under running water. False. Never allow water to overflow from the bucket. True. Turn off the taps always. True. Check the pipes for leaks. True. Turn off the motor when the tank is full. True. Match the following: C, A, D, B. Fill in the blanks. Water is used for washing clothes. During summer, the water is in the wells dry up. The water you use at home is from tap water, water resource. You use drum containers to store water. You should drink a minimum of 7 or 8 glasses of water daily. When you are thirsty, you should drink water. Write the name of any liquid other than water. Petrol. We get sick if we drink polluted water. The areas where water is scarce are known as water scarcity. Plants and animals need water to live. Match the following: B, D, A, and C. Worksheet 7. Answer the following questions. First question: what are the uses of water in our daily life? Answer: water is used many ways in our daily life. Water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, agriculture, construction, put out the fire, etc. Second question: what happens if there is no water? Answer: if there is no water, human beings, birds, plants, and animals can't survive. Third question: give a few examples of water resources. Answer: river, pond, borewell, pump, well, lakes, dams, canals, oceans, etc. Fourth question: how can you save water? Answer: water saving methods. 1. Use small glass to drink water. Second, turn off taps after using. Third, check the pipes for leaks. Fourth one, turn off motor after tank is full. Fifth one, what questions would you ask your parents to know about the water sources in olden days? First question: where did you get water in olden days? Second, how did you store water in olden days? How did people purify water in olden days? Experiments and field observation. Visit a protected freshwater scheme in your village and observe how water is supplied and the steps taken to supply. I visited a protected freshwater scheme in my village and observed it. First, they filter the water. After the filtering, they chlorinate the water to kill germs. Then, chlorinated water supplied to houses through taps. Steps taken to supply filtration, chlorination, supply. Collect the information from your friends about how they save water. Name of the friend, source of water, water saving methods. P. Prashant, source of water, tap, water saving method, turn off taps after using. T. Lokesh, source of water, borewell, checking pipes for leaks. R. Premila, source of water, motor, water saving method, turn off motor when tank is full. M. Aditya, source of water, hand pump, water saving method, never allow to water overflow. K. Sindhu, water tank, never allow to overflow the water. Drawing pictures and model making. Draw a picture of bottle brush and say how to use it. Water bottle should be cleaned with brush. Put a pinch of salt in the water bottle. Pour some warm water and clean it with the bottle brush, rubbing round and round inside the bottle. Now clean the bottle with fresh water. One day Devi was going to her friend's house to play. On the way, she saw some children wasting water at the bore pump. What might have Devi told them? What would you do if you were there? Devi might have told them that we should not waste the water. If I were there, I will explain them importance of water and problems of water scarcity. Assessment 6. Choose the correct answer. First question. Which of the following is main source of water? A. Rain. B. Forest. C. Soil. Answer is A. Rain. Second question. We have to drink dash water. A. Clean water. B. Polluted water. C. Store water. Answer A. Clean water. Third question. The most common way to purify water is A. Filter. B. Boiling. C. Store. Answer is B. Boiling. Second round. Fill in the blanks. First question. Farmers can grow crops only if water is available. Oceans and rivers are natural source of water. Water should be stored in clean and closed containers. Match the following. Water. C. Precious. Purified method. A. Boiling. Water resource. B. River. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the natural resources of water? Answer. Oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, rainwater are the major natural resources of water. Second question. How to save water? Water saving methods. 1. Use small glass to drink water. Second. Turn off taps after using. Third, check the pipes for leakages. Fourth, turn off motor after tank is full.